You must give minimum 3 seconds left signal before you approach the parked car. Once you have stopped your car 1 meter away from the parked car, you need to check all your mirrors, left, right, center, and before reversing, you should also look back from the rear window for safety. Turn your steering one whole circle 360 degrees to the left. Hold the steering position, and if it's safe, slowly reverse. Keep reversing until your left side mirror aligns with the rear tail light of the parked car. Then rotate your steering one whole circle 360 degrees to the right and keep reversing, holding that steering position. Once your rear left wheel is approximately 70 to 80 centimeters off the curb, then rotate your steering all the way to the right, full lock. Hold that position and keep reversing until your car is straight or aligned with the curb. Finally, change the gear to drive, straight your wheel and move forward, leaving minimum 1 meter from the rear of the parked car. Once you are satisfied with your parking, you should park the car and pull the handbrake.